Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This property consists of two houses nestled in the safe, charming and beautiful, well sought after Silver Sands. One of the house has three cozy bedrooms, which carries a traditional charm in its fixtures and floored with terrazzo tiles. The other has modern decor with four bedrooms. Both houses come complete with a living room, dining and kitchen. This unit has pool, gazebo, and beautiful garden to relax and entertain. Silver Sands has 24 hours manned roaming security to add that extra level of ease of mind and protection. The property also prides itself in being an easy and cool walking distance to the crystal blue beach. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 2.4 million or Jamaican $369.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.